Hola, me llamo Maria, and I am your daily Spanish instructor. Today, we will be learning a phrase essential for communicating throughout Spanish-speaking countries. First, I will tell you the phrase, then break it down word by word for you. Finally, I will use the phrase in different scenarios so you can grasp the meaning of the phrase. Here we go. Púdrete en el infierno, puta. Púdrete en el infierno, puta. Repeat after me. Púdrete en el infierno, puta. Púdrete en el infierno, puta. Good job! Did you figure it out? Today's phrase is rot in hell, bitch. Now go forth and habla español.